In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a custom form in your project. To get started, open the project where you want the form to live. Once you're inside that project, look at the top of the screen and click on the Forms tab. If you don't see it right away, you can also get there by opening the Customize menu and selecting Forms. Both paths take you to the same place, so just use whichever option is available in your workspace. When the form builder opens, this is where you'll shape the experience for anyone filling out your form. You can start adding the fields you need based on the kind of information you want to collect. For example, you can include questions for written responses, simple text fields for short answers, drop-down menus to keep responses consistent, and file upload prompts if you need people to attach documents, images, or other supporting materials. As you build, think about the information your team actually needs in order to take action quickly. A well-designed form makes it easier for submissions to come in complete and organized. After adding your fields, the next step is to map those form fields to task fields. This is an important part of the setup because it tells the system where each response should go once a submission is turned into a task. For instance, you might map one field to the task name or connect another one to the due date. This helps automate the process and reduces the need for manual cleanup later. It also makes sure the tasks created from the form are structured in a way that's immediately useful for your workflow. Once everything looks right, you're ready to share the form. Click copy link if you want to send it out publicly, whether that's through a message, a document, or any other channel. If you want the form to appear directly on your website instead, you can use the embed option. This gives you flexibility depending on how you want people to access it. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the form for clarity. Make sure the questions are easy to understand and that each field is mapped correctly. That way, when responses start coming in, they'll be accurate, consistent, and easy to manage. And that's how to create and share a custom form in your project.